As a meteorologist, one thing I've learned over the years, and that science has shown again and again, is that the atmosphere and the ocean are deeply interconnected. That's why our best weather and hurricane models today are no longer just atmospheric models. They integrate the ocean, ice, land, energy from the sun, and even human impacts. The Earth works as a system, kind of like your car. If you start removing parts, it's not going to function the way it was designed to. Last week, we learned that there are plans to break up and cut the National Center for Atmospheric Research, NCAR, moving critical weather components to other agencies and eliminating others entirely. Since 1960, NCAR has become one of the world's premier centers for addressing the most pressing environmental challenges that we're facing, challenges that require cross-disciplinary expertise. That means teams of experts working together, atmospheric scientists, oceanographers, hydrologists, social scientists, computer scientists, AI researchers, educators, and operational forecasters, all collaborating. To explain why this matters, we've brought in our ocean expert, Dr. Ellen Prager.
Thanks, Dave. It's really clear the ocean and atmosphere are connected. To understand or forecast what's happening, we have to consider both, along with the land, sun, ice, chemistry, and even human impacts. Take hurricanes, for example. To forecast, track, and intensity accurately, we need ocean information. And not just surface temperatures, we need information from deep below the surface and salinity levels as well. We now understand that El Nino and La Nina directly influence rainfall, drought, hurricane activity, or the lack of it, and even regional weather patterns worldwide.
And this is exactly why NCAR's work matters. Scientific research builds on decades of prior work. Disrupting that process doesn't save time or money. It can set our ability to protect communities back 10 years or more. Farmers need seasonal outlooks. Communities need wildfire forecasts. Airlines rely on turbulence guidance, work that NCAR has already been advancing.
Yeah, it's kind of like saying you want groceries, but you don't understand why stores should work with farmers or trucking companies. Look, integrated systems are just much more efficient and more effective. Breaking up NCAR won't save money. It's only going to cost more.
Exactly. Earth is an interconnected system. We talk about that all the time. We shouldn't break apart or cut pieces out of NCAR. It's bad for America, and it's bad for the world.
Look, sometimes things look good on paper, but lose their luster when you see how it affects real folks. I guess a healthy bottom line doesn't mean much if to get it you have to hurt the ones you depend on.